Hi and welcome. This is Jam Jar 34 for a unboxing and a tell you what I'm gonna do with this bad boy, Apothecary. Um, the Primaris one, and basically I've just literally got it today through the post. So what I've done is basically uncovered that, cut that up before I videoed. So it's easier doing it one-handed. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take the wrapper off. You've probably had loads of unboxings before, but I don't really do one very much. I'm planning to do like a sort of, not tutorial as such, but you know, going through the motions with this. So there you go. So back out to normal footage. Just chuck that on the floor. I'll pick it up after I've done this video for you. Right, so basically this is the back of it. Can have that. I'm not too sure if I can have multiple heads. I'm not too sure which one I'm going to have and what one will actually look quite half decent with it. That's pretty cool. And that is that reductor bolt pistol, or you can have the absolver bolt pistol. You've got the guy on the floor. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Right, I'm going to open the box if I can with my one hand, as it were. So what I decided was that I would buy either a librarian or this bad dude, which I might get the librarian probably next month. I know I shouldn't really be buying models, but there you go. Just bear with me a minute. So I've opened it round the wrong way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over, and then I'm going to, oh there we go, nice little card thing first. Read this first. Yeah, okay. Maybe another. Oh yeah, that's all the instructions. So, oh yeah, English, French. Yeah, and the others. And that looks like Spanish. So that's a little booklet you get with it. So yeah. Ooh, lovely jubbly bubbly. This is what I'm talking about. So what you get, and you've got to sort of dive in a little bit, and yeah, just bear with me because I'm just trying to sort this out with one hand, and you've probably got full focus of my hand. There we go, done. Little ultramarine thing, lieutenant, chaplain, librarian, apothecary, and captain. Character transfer. Not gonna do an ultramarine one, and then obviously you've got the base, which is cool. It comes, I quite like that actually. That's quite handy dandy, that little bit there. So let's have a look at the first sprue. So you've got the body there, that bit, gun, head, arm, so it's quite sort of basic, that one as well. Not sure what head I'm going to do yet, to be honest. So it's quite intricate, little bits to do, little bits, so it could take me some time, which is fine. So let's go back. You can just see the base there. Black bears. So basically what I'm planning to do, let's go back on this, it's more interesting. Quite cool. So what I'm planning to do is, I've got my own chapter, the Griffon Claws, which is a sort of a bluey green, purple chapter, my own one. So I'm going to do this model in their colours, and hopefully it will come off quite nicely and look quite cool. So yeah, a bit of work to do. What I'm basically going to do is, this is part 1, the unboxing, and then I'm going to do part 2, part 3, which will be half an hour's worth of work, maybe one after the other, and basically go from there really, and see how much of it I can actually get done, and hopefully finish this model, because it'd be nice to finish one of these models, to be honest. So that's about wraps it up. I hope to do another video soon, part 2 building. It's kind of like a tutorial, but not probably as good as anyone else's, to be honest. And I might do a little bit of a review and update with it, like a couple of minutes, just to show you what it's like, because I've only got my phone camera. Right, so it's about 8 minutes long, this video, a bit longer maybe. I'm going to sign off for the hobby kitchen, and I'm cooking up this awesome model, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for watching. Bye bye.